Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I will get ready for Rakshabandhan. So this video is going to include skincare, makeup and outfit. So this is how the final outcome would look like. This is the makeup I'm doing and this is the outfit I'm wearing. And I've also prepped my skin very well before. If your skin is looking nice, everything else goes and looks absolutely fantastic. So without wasting time, let's start the video. I'm going to link all the products that I'm mentioning in the video in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Also, if you are new here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and let's start the video.
I like to prep my skin before any festival or party, and for that I trust Lotus Herbals facial kit, which gives me salon-like glow at home in just 30 minutes. And I have chosen Radiant Party Glow Kit with white peony and argan. This kit is perfect if you want to brighten up your complexion and get rid of tanning. There are just 5 steps to follow, and this salon grade kit is fairly easy to use. Let's start the facial. Step 1 is cleansing gel. Just apply on your face and neck and massage in a circular motion. It gently removes makeup and impurities from skin surface, prepping it for the next step. Massage for a minute and then rinse thoroughly with water or clean with a moist cotton. Step 2 is D10 polisher. Apply it on moist skin and massage gently in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. It polishes the skin by removing dead skin cells and loosening black and white heads. Rinse thoroughly or clean with moist cotton. My skin feels absolutely smooth and radiant after its use. Step 3 is Deep Cell Activating Serum, which is a potent serum enriched with natural actives. My dry skin loves it since it's a mix of serum plus oil. Take 5 to 7 drops, apply on your face and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. It works on dark spots and makes skin brighter. Do not wipe it and move on to the next step. Step 4 is Brightening Facial Creme. Taking an appropriate amount and massaging on face and neck in a circular and upward motion for around 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it with damp cotton. It is quite rich and deeply nourishes the skin. It adds an instant glow to the skin. Lastly, we have Algae Peel Off Mask, which can be prepared by taking 20 gram of mask and add 40 to 50 milliliter water to it. Mix it well. Apply immediately on face and neck. Let it dry. This peel off mask resets tired looking skin and reduces puffiness. You can remove it after 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, my skin looks instantly radiant. This kit is cruelty free and you can grab your kit now from Lotus Herbals website. Link is in bio and get 10% off. Now my skin is fresh and it's ready for the next step, which is makeup. I will start with applying primer. I'm using Swiss Beauty's Moisture Primer. It is very good for dry skin and primer will ensure your makeup stays on for a really long time. It is moisturizing, so it's going to make my makeup look really nice and non-crusty. Next, I'll be using a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I am not going for a full glam look, so I want it to look very natural. So I'm applying a little bit of concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, and then I'll blend everything with the help of a nice fluffy brush. As you can see, the concealer has immediately brightened up my under eye area. This is M.A.C 24-hour concealer in the shade NW35. Now I'm using Simply Nam's cream blush. These blushes are really good, but these can be a little bit sticky. If you have oily skin, I will not recommend these, but if you have dry skin, then you can obviously use these and then set everything with a powder, like a compact powder. The color a cream blush gives your cheeks is really pretty. Next, I'm taking this nice M.A.C eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow. It's in mauve color and I'm just going to sweep it all across my eyelids. I am not doing any heavy duty eye makeup because it's Rakshabandhan and we want a nice doable wearable daytime makeup look. It will add some color to my lids and as you can see, it's a very pretty shade and it goes really well with the outfit I'm wearing. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and just filling my brows nicely. I don't want my brows to look too bold, so I am just making some nice hair-like strokes and filling it in. Brushing my hair up so that the product is evenly distributed. Next, I'm going to take a brown eyeliner and apply it on my upper lash line. I'm using a brown instead of black just to avoid like a stark, harsh line across my eyes, and I'm just taking a nice eyeliner brush and winging it out. Next, I'm applying nice thick coat of mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara and I really like it because it is very good. It just adds so much volume to my lashes. Next, I'm using Faces Canada's lipstick in the shade Scandalous. This is a very pretty berry color and it looks very nice with the makeup I am wearing. I do not want my eyes to look too bold. That's why I am wearing a nice bold lip color and very muted nice eyes. setting my makeup with Mars makeup setting spray. It will ensure long lasting, sweat proof and crease proof makeup. Applying a bindi because without bindi any festive or ethnic look is not complete. And this is my finished makeup look, and as you can see, this is minimal but very polished and clean. My skin is looking very nice because of the facial, and the makeup has gone very smoothly and nicely on the top of it. This is my outfit. It is a very pretty gota patti suit which I bought last year. I couldn't wear it last year, of course, because of the COVID situation, but this year I'm wearing it. I'm very happy. This is like one of my favorite colors to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Happy Rakshabandhan to all of you. Take care and bye.